Welcome to the channel Study Electronics. Here part 8 Electronic Instrumentation Objectives. First question. A transduction principle used primarily in optical sensors, that is photovoltaic transduction. This is the transduction principle. Photovoltaic transduction is used primarily in optical sensors. Next question. What is a solid state equivalent of a gas filled triode? Answer SCR, silicon controlled rectifier. Next, the supply voltage is generally dash that of breakover voltage in an SCR is always less than. The supply voltage is generally less than that of breakover voltage in an SCR. Next question. The energy capacity of a storage battery is rated in Ampere hour. In a storage battery, it is rated in Ampere hours. Next, the pressure coil of an induction type energy meter is highly inductive. Next, the correct sequence of the block in an analog data acquisition unit starting from the input is first unit transducer, second signal conditioner, third recorder. Next, the deflection of hot wire instrument depends on RMS value of the AC current. So, the deflection of hot wire instrument depends on RMS value of the AC current. Next, the triac is fundamentally a dash with a gate terminal for controlling the turn-on condition of the bilateral device in either condition. So, triac is a diac with gate terminal. Okay. So, diac has 2 terminal, triac has 3 terminal including the gate. And next question, when the supply voltage exceeds the breakover voltage of an SCR, it starts conducting. So, the supply voltage exceeds the breakover voltage, it starts conducting. Next, the step response of a first order system is A0 plus A1 e raised to S1t. Next, the battery cells in an electronic multimeter are required to measure resistance. Next, which of the following decides the time of response of an indicating instrument? Time of response of an indicating instrument is decided by the damping system. Next, which is measured by the loss of charge method? High R, high resistance. Next, which of the following gives gauge factor of a strain gauge? Delta R by R or delta L by L. It gives the gauge factor of a strain gauge. Next, a feedback control system in which the controlled variable is mechanical position, servo mechanism. Next question. What is that voltage above when the SCR enters the conduction region? Forward breakover voltage. So, this is the voltage when SCR enters the conduction region, forward breakover voltage. Next question. A locus or path of the roots traced out on the S-plane as a parameter is changed by root locus. That is, the locus or path of root traced out on the S-plane by root locus. Next, a control system in which the output is related to the input by device parameters only, open loop control system. So, in an open loop control system, the output is related to the input. Next question. The reference voltage and the input voltage are sequentially connected to the integrator with the help of a switch in a dual stop integration analog to digital converter. Next question. A galvanometer has eddy current damping. Next, thermistors are essentially semiconductors because of these following factors. First one, well suited to precise measurement of temperature. Next, widely used in the lower temperature range, that is minus 100 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius. And third point, which behave as resistor with a high negative temperature coefficient of resistance. So, these are 3 factors. Essentially, thermistors are essentially semiconductors. Next, what is that value of current below which the SCR switches from the conduction state to the forward blocking region under stated condition, that is holding current. So, the holding current condition, the SCR switches from conduction state to the forward blocking region. Next, which is equivalent to a Zener or avalanche region of the fundamental two-layer semiconductor diode. Reverse breakdown voltage. Next, what is the required gate triggering current of GTO? 20 milliampere. So that's all for today class. Please share and subscribe and join to the Telegram channel. Thank you.